Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from Cash app to Chime. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, open the Cash app on your mobile device. Then tap on your balance from the bottom left corner. Tap on linked accounts and then select linked debit card. It will ask you to enter your Chime debit card number in the given box. Simply add the 16-digit card number from your Chime debit card. Next, add the expiry date and CVV which you will find on the back of your card. Next, what you need to do is add the zip code and hit Add Card. Once you have successfully linked the card, go to the Cash app banking page and you need to tap on the Add Cash button. Then enter the amount that you want to send from Chime to Cash app. Tap on Done to complete the process. So that's basically how you can transfer money from Cash app to Chime. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.